I've shown you how to rearrange your numbers in scientific notation, but in this video I'm going to show you how to change the power of your number altogether. So that's the times 10 to the something part of your number. So let's take an example to show you how to do this. So it's just using simple arithmetic principles. So we've got 5 times 10 to the 3 for an example, and we want to write it as a number with a power of 10 to the power 6. Now to go from 10 to the 3 to 10 to the 6, we have to multiply by 10 to the power 3, because 10 to the 6 is equal to 10 to the 3 times, 10 to the 3. 3 plus 3 equals 6. So we need to times this part of the number by 10 to the 3. We also have to divide by 10 to the 3 at the same time, because that will be the same as multiplying by 1, which we know does not change our number. So let's do that. So we've got 5 times 10 to the 3, and we can multiply it by 10 to the 3 over 10 to the 3. So that's this that we're taking care of here. And then we can, because we can divide and multiply in any combination we like, let's split up 5 times 1 over 10 to the 3. So that's this part and this part together, some brackets, and then that times 10 to the 3 times 10 to the 3. That's this and this. So that gives us 5 times 10 to the minus 3 times 10 to the 6, and we can change this number into decimal notation. So that gives us, we have to move the decimal place 3 places to the left, so let's do that. 1, 2, 3. This 0.005 times 10 to the power 6, and that's our answer. And now let's just change these both into decimal notation to prove to ourselves that we've done it correctly. So 5 times 10 to the 3 equals 5, and we move the decimal place 3 places to the right. 1, 2, 3. So that gives us 5,000. Whereas 0.005 times 10 to the 6 is equal to, so again we need to move the decimal place 6 places to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fill in the zeros. So again, that gives us 5,000. So these two expressions are the same. Alright, let's try another example, this time with some negative exponents. So here I've picked another example. Let's say 5 times 10 to the power minus 4 is equal to what in times 10 to the minus 6. So in this case, to go from 10 to the minus 4 to 10 to the minus 6, we have to multiply by 10 to the minus 2, because 10 to the minus 6 is equal to 10 to the minus 4 times 10 to the minus 2, because minus 4 plus minus 2 is equal to minus 6. Okay, so same idea again. We need to multiply this part of the expression by 10 to the minus 2, but then we also have to divide by 10 to the minus 2 so that we're not changing the value of our number. Okay, so we've got 5 times 10 to the minus 4 times 10 to the minus 2 over 10 to the minus 2. So that gives us 5 times 1 over 10 to the minus 2. So that's this and this, times 10 to the minus 4 times 10 to the minus 2. this, and this. So that gives us then 5 times 10 to the power 2, because we can move this to the top of the fraction by getting rid of the negative exponent, and then this is minus 4 plus minus 2 is minus 6, so by multiplying those we get 10 to the minus 6. And now let's take care of this. So 5 times 10 to the power 2. We need to move the decimal place 2 places to the right. So it's 500 times 10 to the minus 6. So again, let's prove to ourselves that we've done the right thing. Okay, so 5 times 10 to the minus 4. We need to move the decimal place 4 places to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 0.0005. Now we've got 500 times 10 to the minus 6. So that's 500. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places to the left, and fill in the 0.0005. So again, these are the same, so we've done it correctly, and the system works.